Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Swanson and I live in Wilmington, Delaware. Um, so my experience currently in the field is that I work with Delaware's Division of Family Services Foster Care Program team. So I don't really work clinically too much. I work more so on program development, data, team meetings, so more of like the background macro part of social work. But I do look forward to getting more into the clinical side of things. So my goals for my clinical experience is to become a therapist, specifically for trauma. Um, and with people who suffer from PTSD, especially those who are veterans, police officers, and firefighters, and also their families. I also would like to work as a trauma therapist with children because I do have experience with that, with being in the Division of Family Services. So what I'm going to do to develop my clinical skills and become the clinical therapist that I would like to be is I currently am in the trauma seminar to receive my trauma certificate as well as my degree when I graduate. I plan to get my licensed social work license after we complete this degree, and then after I am licensed as a social worker, I am going to work to get more hours to become a licensed clinical social worker, so I can work specifically more with mental health and trauma. Some challenges could be finding the hours to get for your clinical social work license. There's more hours to complete of supervision after our graduation to become an LCSW. So this is why I'm thinking of getting my license as a social worker first, so I can then build up some more hours depending on where I'm working and have supervision that way. And that's another challenge as well, working full time, which I have experienced with this program, and with doing my generalist field practice. It was difficult, but I was able to complete it, and I was able to apply everything I learned in my generalist practice to work and to school, and it was very helpful and also very stressful. I wish everybody good luck this semester.